Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. Today I'm going to show you a very quick instant pot meal that I make when I have nothing planned for dinner, but I still need to get food on the table and I don't have a lot of energy, so I want to do it quick. So this is a freezer meal, but you can also make it from scratch. You can make it in your Instant Pot, or you can make it in your slow cooker, or even on the stove top. So it's very easy. The only effort you have to do is brown your mince. So let me show you how I do this very quick and easy black bean taco soup. Add some oil to your pan and get it to medium heat. Add 500 grams of beef mince to your hot pan and brown your mince until it's cooked through. I drain the grease from the mince by swooshing a paper towel through my mince, and that will suck up all that extra oil. I dice up my onion into small pieces. You want to mark your bag before you fill it. So this is for the black bean taco soup. In the Instant Pot, it takes only 5 minutes, and in the slow cooker, you can cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. It's just to warm it up because everything is cooked that you put in the bag. I place the bag on the bag holder so it will keep open while I fill the bag with my freezer meal. I start by adding the cooked mince to the bag, and of course I make a mess. Add your 1 chopped up onion. Add 1 can of corn kernels. You can also use frozen corn. Add 1 cup or 1 can. Add 1 rinse and drained can of black beans. These black beans have been rinsed and drained, so it's ready to add to my freezer bag. I'm adding 1 Mexican style diced tomatoes. This is tomatoes with chili. If you don't like the chili or the heat, you can just add 2 cans of normal diced tomatoes. So that's either 2 cans of normal diced tomatoes or 1 Mexican style tomato and 1 diced tomato. Now you're going to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. That's the big can. And that's about 426 grams of tomato sauce. So now you've got everything in your bag. You just need to add some taco seasoning. I'm going to add the entire packet. So just add the entire packet of taco seasoning to your bag. So now you've got all your ingredients inside your bag. You can take it off the hooks. Take it off the hooks. And now we're just going to seal it nicely and push out as much air as you can. Lie it down and massage your bag just to make sure the taco seasoning gets mixed in to all the sauce. Freeze this entire bag and it's a meal ready to go. You just need to put it into your Instant Pot for 5 minutes, or you can dump it into your slow cooker and let it cook on high for 2 to 3 hours to heat it up. Because the meat is already cooked, there's no cooking involved. This is just heating up the meal. If you're going to put this in your Instant Pot, add a half cup of water. We want this to come to pressure, and this is quite a thick soup. You can lay it flat onto a pan and let it freeze flat so it will take less space in your freezer. Once you're ready to cook it, just thaw it out and add it to your slow cooker or your Instant Pot and heat it up. Once you have defrosted your black bean taco soup, you can just dump it into your Instant Pot or multi-cooker. Try to get every little bit of liquid out of the bag. You want to add half a cup of water to your Instant Pot. Mix that in so that most of the liquid is at the bottom. Place your lid on and lock it, and you want to make sure this valve is on sealing because you want it to come to pressure. Press the pressure cook button and bring the time down all the way to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Then it's on high pressure for 5 minutes. You press start. Now the pot will heat up and come to pressure, and it will count down from 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, your soup will be done. I did a quick release of the steam and served the soup in a bowl topped with corn chips and grated cheese. I then added the secret ingredient, a dollop of sour cream on top. This made the dish so creamy and delicious, and my son loved it. He couldn't get enough. Well guys, dinner is done and we're all ready to dig in and enjoy this meal. This is all I've got for you today, and thank you for watching my video, and as always I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.